In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. We have been given and gifted huge amount of talents and capabilities. We have been made very powerful by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by giving us great powers, great abilities, but we opted to become very small. Instead of becoming great, something great, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us as a superior creature. But we did not understand why we were created and what is the purpose of our creation. How can we achieve that purpose of our creation? How can we become a great human being? How can we become a superior creature indeed? How to fulfill the great master design of Allah subhanahu, how to act in a responsible manner in the wider word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is, I think so, that we need to prove and we need to become a superior creature indeed, and we need to broaden our horizon which has been shrunk. We ourselves and nobody else have opted, nobody else have decided to limit ourselves to the very small circles indeed. Even if at all, we have so called big goals. Big goals of what? I shall establish the industries. I shall become one of the ruling class. I shall become this. And even that, despite all that, as per my opinion is concerned, all of these goals are a very small one. And these are actually the goals and the targets of an inferior creature and not that of a superior creature. Why? Because if at all, I think so that we people are thinking about we ourselves only if at all we are thinking about our loved ones only, our the closest people only, and not at the wider level, not at the level of the humanity. This is actually mean that we have opted to become a very small creature, a very inferior creature, and we have decided to take a very small and a very trivial role instead of opting for, instead of accepting the bigger role. Today we have become so selfish. Today we have become so coward. So today we have become so weak. And why did we become weak? Because we are very selfish, because we are very short sighted, and because we are not a foresighted person at all, and because we did not take the bigger challenges. Rather we opted to take a smaller challenge. What is the bigger challenge and what is the smaller challenge? The bigger challenge is to look after the humanity, to look after the maximum number of the people, and to try to impact positively, trying to impact positively. I am sorry for this noise. So instead of looking after for a larger number of people, instead of looking for the humanity, we have opted to look after ourselves only, and we have opted to look after the closest people only, and we have rather we have become so selfish, we have become so self-centered that while fulfilling our own needs, we don't even give it a damn whether how this this act of mine is going to affect the other people, whether their lives will be positively affected or their lives will be rather negatively affected. I think so. Being so short sighted is equal to being so self centered. And once we have become so self centered, as a matter of fact, we have become so short sighted as well. We have become such a smaller human being instead of becoming such a bigger human being. We could have become a big human being, but we unfortunately we opted to become a smaller human being. We opted to become a far lesser human being. We opted to become a far inferior human being. It is all because of we ourselves and no one else. And I think so that as long as now we are alive and we do have a chance to revert to something bigger, if at all we do feel that I am a weak person, if at all we do find or we do notice a kind of cowardice in ourselves, I think so we need to come out. We need to come out of the our crease, and we need to come out. We need to come out of the comfort zone, and we need to become a strong human being by committing with ourselves, and by committing with our conscience, by committing with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that whatever talents and whatever resources I have been given and I have been entrusted with, I shall be spending it, I shall be utilizing it on the humanity, and I shall keep a very small part of it with myself, and the rest of it will be utilized for benefiting the other people, dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad. We could have become a bigger human being. We could have become a stronger human being. We could have become a great human being. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has did not create us one of the jackals, one of the inferior birds. Rather, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us amongst the humans, among the superior creature. And why don't we understand it? Why are we insistent upon that I shall be taking the smaller role only and not a bigger one at all, not the one for which I have been created by my creator? It is as simple as this one. Let's come out of the selfish reasons. Let's come out of the smaller circles, and let's try to enter, and let's try to be a part of the bigger game of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's try to take the role for which we have been created, and let's stop becoming an inferior creature. Let's stop becoming a person of inferior nature, because this thing is going to damage me and damage me a lot. Rather, it is going to render me as something very inferior. I don't have to become a very inferior human being. Rather, I shall like to take the role Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given and gifted to me. I shall like to understand the importance of it, and I shall be doing my utmost to get the maximum, to get the what I can out of such a bigger universe, out of being a member of such a superior creature. Why not to understand it, and why not to take the right advantage, the maximum advantage out of it? Let's make a commitment with ourselves. I shall become, inshallah, I shall try to come out of my comfort zone. I shall try to come out of my own selfish reasons. I shall be content with my necessities only, and I shall like to serve the public at the large, and shall like to take the bigger role for which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created me. Jazakallah.